The PLC, Programmable Logic Controller, in a wood pellet production line, automates the control of various equipment, such as hammer mills, pellet mills, coolers, and conveyors, ensuring that each step operates in sync, thereby improving production efficiency and ensuring an orderly process. It also monitors key parameters in real time, detects faults promptly, and automatically shuts down to ensure safety. Additionally, the PLC optimizes equipment performance to enhance energy efficiency, while recording production data to help managers analyze trends and make better decisions. Ultimately, this boosts productivity and reduces operating costs.